Have you ever tried to rebuild something everyone else said was impossible, and everything around you felt broken? That's exactly what Nehemiah faced when Jerusalem's walls lay in ruins. He began not with bricks, but with prayer. And from prayer came courage. From courage came action, and from action came restoration. When Nehemiah heard that Jerusalem's walls were broken down and its gates burned, he wept, fasted, and prayed to the God of heaven. With the king's permission, Nehemiah returned and said to the people, "Let us rise up and build." Nehemiah 2:18. Though enemies mocked and threatened, the people worked with one hand on their tools and the other ready to defend. Nehemiah 4:17. And in just 52 days, the wall was finished, because the people had a mind to work, and God gave them strength. Nehemiah 6:15-16. 4:6. From rubble to restoration. Nehemiah's story shows us that when God's people trust Him, what is broken can be made whole again. The city walls of Jerusalem were rebuilt because the people had a mind to work and a heart to trust God. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, pass it along to a friend, and subscribe for more devotionals.